Hey, what's going on, guys? So as you can see, I've got a fair bit of my stuff out at the moment. I was just reorganizing, doing a few bits and pieces and getting set up for a big job that I'm starting in the city. So I may as well take you through my setup at the moment. So you'll see in the back of the Pajero, I've got from Armorgard, this is the Tough Bank. It's a fairly large side box. You can see it fits into the Pajero Sport, which isn't a very large boot. So that'll be my new setup for work for all the tools. It's a fairly big site we're going on. I'm going to be there for a while, hopefully. So as you can see, I've got a lot of my gear out. I've just been going through all the old fixings, hole saws, all that sort of stuff, figuring out what I can do. And you can see I've got the DeWalt out. I've now moved that over to a packout. I'll be taking the roller box, the one with the packable front on it. I've done another post on that little beast of a accessory. That one is for something that's coming up in the future for Instagram and YouTube. The rest will stay out. I will be taking the new tote. As you can see, I've moved over from the bags. I got this one for free from a mate and thought I would give it a go. Been trialing it out for the last week and it's been really good, actually. I'm quite enjoying the tote life. So, and you can see I've got the light out. That's the Milwaukee packout light. That one I'm taking just for a few fixings and that I've got to carry around on site. And as you can see, so this is where the DeWalt laser went to. As you can see, it fits in there nicely. I'll be doing a whole post on this foam. This was literally picked up for $8 here in Australia at Clark Rubber. So it worked out really, really well. There's not too much to choose from over here in Australia, especially at this sort of size. This is, what is it, 60 mil. So I would like to go to maybe 70, but at the moment it's actually sitting pretty well. So that cost me about $8 to put that in. You can see it's fully solid. Same thing for the hole saws. I moved over from just a box full. I did a massive cull and now this is sort of what we're sitting with. I'm going to look at getting some centers for these just to hold them in place a little bit better. But as you can see, easily accessible. But if we close this up, you're not going to be losing anything anytime soon. So it's nice and comfy in there. That worked out really well. So then when we come to the roller box, it's just a few bits and pieces. Got my hard hat, gloves in there, just a few locks. So one of these will probably going onto the box, on the sight box. Just got drill bits and pieces in here. This one, as you can see, there's just not enough room in the car at the moment, so I've had to take it off. But that sits there on the front. That's from 48 Tools if you're looking. And this one's from Packable. I've done videos on both of these. I just got my drills, drill bits, lockout kit in there, blowtorch. I've been rocking the MP1 still. I did go to the TP3B for a little bit. But now that I'm rocking the tote, this is what I'm sort of carrying around, just throwing the tools I need for the time. But also we've got just some more safety gear, got the hearing protection and just a square. If you haven't seen this, it's pretty cool. If I can do it one-handed. So that folds out, makes it 300 square. It's not a bad one. That's from Lufkin, from Crescent. So they'll go in there, and that's basically the setup. So that'll all be locked away nicely in the Tough Bank from Armorgard, and we'll see how it all goes. Fingers crossed.